just keep the tripod on a long exposure. Oh dear.
Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I've made it out to Beeleigh Falls on a fantastic sunny morning today to try and capture these falls as I've never done before. What I've seen here is a lot of people attempting to capture a particular type of image that I'm after today that I've never caught before, and the key thing about it is making sure that you come at low tide. So low tide was about 20 minutes or so ago, so hopefully I'm going to be able to capture that image. But what a fantastic morning to be here with the lovely glorious sunshine. Hopefully I'll be able to capture some of the images that I'm after. But it's this way, and let's go to it now.
So I'm making it down here, as I say, at relatively low tide. It's exposing the main falls here, and as I mentioned before when I've been to this location, around the area that I live at there's absolutely zero waterfalls. This man-made waterfall or weir is the closest thing that I've got to an actual waterfall. So yeah, it is what it is, but what I'm going to try and do is capture some of these lovely images. There's some lovely rocks down there that hopefully I'll be able to obviously clamber down onto and take a couple of images. Scrambling down onto the rocks here, and what a fantastic image that I've got set up first of all. And what's making it really enjoyable is where we've got the strong sunlight. It's turning the water really silvery. So I've got the camera set up on f/22 ISO 50, about 1/8 of a second, and yeah, obviously just going from there really. That's sufficient shutter speed to obviously blur out the water, not blow out too much of the highlights, and working out really quite well. There's some lovely rocks in the foreground as well, which is going to add on a little bit more interest within the actual image. But yeah, working out really quite nice. Apologies obviously about the noise, it's going to be very noisy down here with obviously the falls behind me, but yeah, it's working out really nice here. Yeah, whether or not I'm going to put on the filters in a moment, I think I probably will, just to get a longer exposure. But yeah, it's really enjoyable just to be here at this type of conditions as well. Yeah, turning it into vertical orientation works out really quite nice to get a little bit more foreground interest in. I think now, obviously levelling up the tripod base, I'm going to try and take a pano of all of this white foam, as well as obviously the falls themselves as well, and stitch that together in post. Taking all those images there will hopefully work out really quite well. Not sure if you can see that, but a 2-minute exposure. 10 stop filter on. Yeah, should be quite a good one for this one. Those rocks are really slippy.
Making it back now to the car for what's been a really enjoyable shoot this morning, coming out here to Beeleigh Falls and capturing the image that I really wanted to capture, and returning when the conditions are right. So low tide is definitely the better time, I think, to come to this location where then you can explore that little bit more. So yeah, it's obviously really enjoyable just being here, and hopefully some of the images have worked out really quite well. If you have enjoyed it, please make sure you leave us a comment below, as I really do enjoy those comments. Consider giving us a thumbs up as well, and also consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already. And until next time, when I'm back out and again with my camera, take care.